Alright, so we're on to ISO advanced number 5. So I'm going to create a new component number 5, and I'm going to turn off the other components because I find it easier to draw that way. I'm going to select the front view, and I'm just going to start out on this by drawing a rectangle that is 1 by, I believe, 8. I'm going to check that, but I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle that's 1 by 8. And let's go look at the sheet, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and by 1, which is good. And then I'm going to extrude this 6. So here we go. I'm going to hit finish sketch. And after I hit finish sketch, I am going to extrude this 6. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. The next step is pretty straightforward. I'm going to make a sketch on this, and I'm actually going to do a different tool. I'm going to do an offset. So I'm going to click on the outside edge, and I'm going to offset it in 1 inch. So 1 inch in, which is actually going to be -1. So I'm going to do an offset of -1, which gives you a perfect inch all the way around the inside. Then I can hit finish sketch on that. So I'll hit finish sketch. And just looking at this here, I'm going to extrude it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're extruding this up 5 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And I'm going to click OK. So the rest of this is really easy. You don't have to do any measurements. What you do have to do is do 2 sketches. So I'm going to go to sketch. I'm going to click on this face. And basically I'm going to draw a triangle to the top midpoint like that, and like this to the bottom corners. And then I am just going to draw a box around the outside like so, because I'm going to cut out this piece and this piece. I'm going to hit finish sketch. And I'm going to do the same thing on this face. So I'm going to draw a rectangle up to here, and down to here. Triangle, not rectangle, sorry. And I'm going to draw my line connecting these faces. And I'm going to click finish sketch. Now, I can't actually extrude both of these at once. So like when I go to extrude now, I'm going to do like this front face here, and I can extrude and cut that all the way through, and it leaves my other sketch. Because I can't cut through 2 sketches in different directions at the same time. The reason we're doing this is because if I cut through and then I had to do this sketch, and I like clicked on this face and did the sketch, it would actually cut down into the object, not straight through it. And we wouldn't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these 2. And now I can go through and cut like that. And that works out great. Whereas this sketch would not have worked out well at all. So that is the method to doing those 2 sketches. It comes out pretty good. I'm going to turn on all my other drawings now. I'm going to zoom out. And I'm just going to look at this from the top view so I can slide it. Okay. And there we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. All the blocks are looking good. I think you should be set. And I hope this was helpful.